As we welcome autumn and its cooler temperatures, a change in season provides the perfect excuse to get stuck into a few home maintenance jobs. Keeping gutters clean from assorted debris is an integral and ongoing task for all homeowners. Gutters control the flow of rainwater, protecting your roof, walls and the foundation of your home. Gone neglected, your guttering has the potential to turn into a costly nightmare. To clean your gutters, you will require a sturdy ladder, thick gloves, a bucket, a wire hook, a dustpan and brush, a hose and a spray gun with a jet setting. As with any DIY activity, it's important to work safely. Ensure your ladder is set up on a flat surface. Once your ladder is set, hook your bucket to the edge of the gutter. Inspect your gutters from all angles to ensure they are secure and haven't come away from the fascia. Wearing thick protective gloves, use a brush to remove built-up leaves and debris from the guttering, paying close attention to the spout. You'll need to remove and clean any downpipe strainers to prevent stormwater blockages. Once clear from debris, use the jet setting on the hose gun to give your gutters a quick rinse moving towards the downpipe. Once you have completed cleaning the gutters, the next step is to inspect the downpipes for any leaks or damage. Holman offer the full range of stormwater pipes and fittings. For more information, please visit our website at holmanindustries.com.au.